Welcome to this crash course on psychometrics. I am very happy to be with you and take you through this course. This course is designed for those who have little or no experience with psychometrics and covers the fundamental concepts with practical examples. If you have prior experience with psychometric testing, you might find this course too basic. In that case, I would suggest you to go for Level 1 and Level 2 courses. Nevertheless, this 5-hour course might serve as nice refreshment even for experienced psychometric test users. So, let's get started. Let's talk about learning objectives of this course. Psychometric testing is a considerably large field, and this course is an introductory course. We aim to cover 6 basic points in this course. First, we will talk about what is a test, as it is very important to have a shared meaning of the word test, as the common use of the word test might be very different for different people. Then, we will talk about what is psychometric test, and what are the key characteristics of a psychometric test. Following that, we will talk about the different kinds of psychometric tests, that is, taxonomy of psychometric tests, to understand better what all is included in the domain of psychometric testing. Then, we will talk about psychometric properties and explain 3 key psychometric properties of a test in detail. These 3 properties are reliability, validity, and norms. And finally, we will talk about how to select a test or a combination of tests for a given purpose. The course is structured in a way that allows interactive learning. What we're trying to do here is to initiate you into the subject with an introduction and some material, and encourage you to find more by discussing and searching on the internet. The course facilitator and the team will be available to help you as you go along. The course has a very modular structure and is divided into 5 modules. Module 1 talks about the definition and concept of tests in general, and psychometric tests in particular. Module 2 talks about different kinds of psychometric tests. Module 3 talks about psychometric properties. Module 4 talks about choosing psychometric tests for a given purpose, and Module 5 talks about standards and best practices in psychometric assessments. The entire course has been kept very interactive and open-ended. We provide the beginning of the module, but we do not end them. You are expected to contribute to the learning and development by taking part in the activities and chart your own path of learning. There will be presentations by our team at different places in the course, which will help you stay on track and consolidate your learning. Once you complete this course, you can move on to the next course called Level 1, which is about using ability tests in occupational settings. It is important to note here that all these courses are situated in occupational settings, and though the knowledge gained here is transferable to other settings like clinical settings, the course objectives are limited to occupational settings only. Once you complete Level 1, you will be eligible to sign up for Level 2, which is about using personality tests in occupational settings. So, let's get started, and we wish you all the best in this journey of understanding the psychometric tests in your work. All the best.